Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the new educational system, which categorizes learners into 4 distinct levels based on their financial capacity and academic abilities. Let's dive in. The first level of learners consists of those who have the financial means to afford the high cost of education. These learners prioritize the quality of education and are willing to invest in private institutions or specialized programs. They have access to resources and opportunities that enhance their learning experiences. Moving on to the second level, we have intelligent and competent students who possess the academic capabilities to excel in their studies. However, due to financial constraints, they opt for existing public institutions. These students, despite their potential, face challenges in accessing the same level of resources and facilities as those in the first level. The third level comprises academically and financially disadvantaged students. These learners seek access to education but often face limitations in terms of financial resources and opportunities. They may have to rely on institutions that may not offer the same level of quality education as the first and second levels. Lastly, we have the fourth level, which encompasses individuals who are illiterate and come from economically disadvantaged backgrounds. These learners face significant barriers in accessing any form of formal education. Efforts should be made to provide educational opportunities and support systems to uplift this marginalized group. It is essential to address the disparities among these learner levels to ensure equitable access to education and equal opportunities for all. Education should not be solely determined by financial capacity or academic abilities but should be a fundamental right accessible to everyone. By implementing inclusive policies, scholarships, and financial aid programs, we can bridge the gap between these learner levels and provide equal educational opportunities for all individuals, regardless of their financial or academic backgrounds. Today, we discussed the new educational system, which categorizes learners into 4 levels based on their financial capacity and academic abilities. We emphasized the importance of creating a more inclusive and equitable education system that provides opportunities for all learners, regardless of their socio-economic status. If you found this video informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions on education. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our future videos.